How to change wallpaper on your Windows. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy method to change your wallpaper on Windows. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is simply right click on your PC or your desktop, anywhere on your desktop, and then click on personalize. Or if you don't want to do that, you can directly open up your settings. I'm going to show you that as well. So if you click on personalize, it will directly open up your background personalization. But if you don't want to do that, you can first go ahead and open up your settings. And then once you get to your settings menu, on the left side of your screen, you'll find different options. You just want to head over to personalization and it will show you the same thing. Now head over to background. And as you can see, you can directly click on any of the picture from your recent image to choose the specific background. For example, if I just choose this, go back, as you can see, the background has been changed. And it's really simple as that. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to click on this one, and it will change my background to this. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.